To be perfectly honest with you, to say I'm not afraid would be an understatement. To say I'm not afraid would be an understatement. But guess what? We're going to go after it anyway. City boys up. Let's go.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to drive the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm no walking up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody close. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let up for the sun. I'm broke to see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch out the...
Want to make a toast. May your glasses stay full of champagne, pockets full of money. This world is full of One life, one love, y'all.
City boy! City boy!
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What's up with it? Ladies and gentlemen, I am Sin City, and this is day one of the move, man. It's day one of the move, making a life-changing event right now. I'm literally moving out of my apartment in Cincinnati, Ohio, and eventually going to move to Rio, Brazil, man. You can check out my background and see I'm getting everything together, man. Before you know it, it's gonna be empty. It's gonna be looking like the end of the episode in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air with Will Smith. Until then, hopefully this hard work pays off. We'll see what happens. I don't know. To be perfectly honest with you, to say I'm not afraid would be an understatement. To say I'm not afraid would be an understatement. But guess what? We're gonna go after it anyway. City boys up. Let's go. Packing everything is crazy, man. Packing everything is crazy. Y'all know moving is crazy. But for this particular move, I was excited, man. I was very hyped and excited. Can't believe I have the opportunity to leave my hometown to go see the world. Great opportunity. I'm just sitting here reflecting with a picture of my mom that I took with me. Shout out to my moms and pops back home in Cincinnati. I know they looking over me and I know they love me. I picked up a U-Haul van to get all my small accessories like clothes, shoes, etc. So I pretty much loaded up the van, got everything put together, and then the next day I'm gonna come back and get all like the big my big things like my couches, big screen TV, dining room table, mattress, box spring, etc. What's up with it? What's up with it, man? It's day 2 of my move out of my apartment in order for me to ultimately become an expat. Today is January 2nd, and I ain't gonna hold you. I'm tired as hell, but hey, we gotta get this work done, man. So today, I'm gonna be moving out this couch. I'm gonna be moving my big screen TV, entertainment center, and a bunch of other things, paintings, etc. All this stuff is going in storage, and then we're gonna be preparing for this move across the country. Stay tuned, y'all. It's on the flow. Let's go. All right, so I'm driving now. I just left the U-Haul spot on the way back to the house so I can pick up my large items, couch, television, entertainment center, bed, etc., and then put it in storage. So follow me along in this story, man. Cincinnati against the world, expat lifestyle, city boys up. Let's go. Now we back at my apartment. Shout out to the 2 brothers that helped me move. They helped move my big screen TV, mattress, box spring, dining room table. I mean, shout out to them because I definitely wasn't going to be able to do it by myself. And while I'm moving things, of course, you know, I had to get a couple push-ups in. Now we on the way to storage to make this mission complete. All right, so the move is about 75% done. Now we just trying to get everything in the storage room. Trying to get everything in the storage room. This is definitely bittersweet. I never would have thought I would have had the opportunity to leave my hometown. I can't believe it. So we moving everything, getting everything right, making sure everything fits in the storage room correctly, making sure nothing gets damaged. And we finally done. We got everything in the storage room nice and neat. Everything is ready to go. I made sure to lock it, and we good to go. Now we back at the spot, and the spot is completely empty. My fully furnished apartment is completely empty now. I can't believe my spot. Man, I'm gonna miss it. I'm definitely gonna miss my home, but it's on to bigger and better things. Looking like the end of the show of Fresh Prince. I took some time to step out to my balcony just to get some fresh air, just to think like, wow, I finally made the big move. All right, that's enough. Let's go get a haircut. It's almost that time, y'all. It's almost that time. About to fly out real soon. But before that, gotta get a haircut, man. I gotta get shaped up. Gotta get right. My last cut in the natty. See how this go, man. Checking back in a minute. Yes, sir. Get this shape up.
Hey, man, y'all make sure y'all come my nigga here right down there in the Rio, bro. And he likes to top his eyebrows hit with the razor.
Now after getting a crispy haircut from my brother Ralph, I'm on my way to the airport. One thing is crazy about the airport in Cincinnati. The airport is not in Ohio. It's not in Cincinnati. It's located in Kentucky. So you gotta drive all the way to Kentucky. It's about a 50-minute drive from my house. My flight itinerary goes as follows. I have to fly from CVG, Cincinnati to Dallas. From Dallas to Miami to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Check it out. What up? Just arrived in Dallas on the way to Miami. And then once we get to Miami, then we'll be on our way to Rio. Just came from CVG, Cincinnati to Dallas, Dallas to Miami, Miami to Rio, Brazil. This is the journey. Check it out. This is the journey. Check it out. Praying for a safe flight. Let's get it. What up? Just arrived in Rio de Janeiro. What up, though? Sin City against the world, man. Just arrived in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And to start off this expat life, man. The journey has been crazy. From being in the cold of Cincinnati, to moving out of my spot, going to my mom's and pop's crib. So now we in Rio. This is where the work starts, y'all. Time to put the work in. But right now, it's on the flow. Let's go. All right, man. First shot in Rio with my boy Kels. On the wake up, man. Let's get it. First shot in Rio. Let's get it. All right, y'all. This will conclude the first installment of In My Lifetime with Sin City Volume 1. And going forward, matter of fact, I left y'all a small snippet of what to see moving forward. Stay tuned, y'all. New heat on the way.